tight on a budget. Nobody has like 3,000. I didn't like it. Hello queens, welcome back to the Queen's Parlor. In case you're here, hi, my name is Marcy and this is the Queen's Parlor. So today girls, I don't know, I had applied Ideal, but it's like totally out of my face. My face is completely dry, so I was testing that out and it's not working for me. So my nighttime routine, I've just had a shower, done my nighttime routine. For me, I use glycerin, just this nice and lovely glycerin as my base, and then I seal it with the Vaseline. Okay, so I'm planning to do, right now I want to do a May reset routine. Yeah, I feel like it's time to do a May reset routine, because in the month of April, for me that was a personal audit time, because I set my goals from January till March, and then after March I decided to take April as an audit time to see if these whatever goals that I've set are working. And yeah, I feel like I'm at a comfortable place. I've seen what works and what does not work, and what other strategies am I going to implement in order to achieve these, what I want for myself in this year. And of course I have different categories. I'll do a detailed video maybe of saying how I do a reset routine. Kitambo, I used to do vision boards. If you see my previous vlogs, I used to do vision. I don't know if I have there was some where, let me check. Here they are guys. I used to do vision boards, and then this is where my journey started of doing vision boards. I started doing vision boards in 2020. Yeah, this is January to December. This is, I think this is 2021, April to July. Yeah, I don't know what business I was making. $300. Yeah, I get paid. Oh, I used to be an article writer. Yeah, making vision boards actually makes you know where you've come from. But nowadays I write them down. I feel like I've overgrown. Okay, it's not overgrowing, but I don't feel like vision boards work for me. Because you know our mantra here, be you, do you, just for you. So for me, I don't feel, I hope I'm not shining, but I have to do this for my face to stay moisturized, because these will come off. And then I didn't like the castor oil on my face. I didn't like it. It has a scent, so let me just get used to what I'm doing. I seal it off with some Vaseline. Yeah, so that's what I'm planning to do. Tell me some of your techniques that you use to make your vision boards. I want to do my nails, and want to do polish, and I was just trying them out to see how cute I'm like they're too cute. I want to do this on my feet, and then I was thinking of doing a gel, but I'm like, why gel when this is really cute? So I think I'm just going to do, because for me nail polish for my feet and for my hands it goes for 2 weeks, for my feet it goes for like a month or more. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, because we're tight on a budget. Nobody has like 3,000 shillings to spend on manicure and pedicure right now. We tight on budgets.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist
Hello guys, so I have just cleaned my face. I've just cleaned my face, and to cleanse my face I use this Mentholatum Acne facial cleanser and this scrubber where you put some amount here and then ikipata pofu you have to put it in water. Ikipata pofu you cleanse your face. So I've just cleansed my face and I want to go and put on the aloe vera on my face. This type of aloe vera is different because it makes you feel inakuanga na kamwasho. Even if I've soaked in water, I'll show you how I've soaked it in water. But this type of aloe vera, I don't know, it inakuanga tu na kamwasho fulani kana kubo, like kana washanga. But the other type of aloe vera that I use, it's just that in Nairobi I've not found, but when I'm home I usually find that one. So I think you have to dip it for a long time in water. So I'm going to tell you the benefits of using aloe vera. I use aloe vera on both my face and my hair, and let me tell you, it has done an excellent job. Mi utaniambia ati I go and buy a product, you tell me it's 100% aloe vera and there is a leaf somewhere that I know it's 100%. That budget manzi. So at least I know I'm using 100% of aloe vera. Chinenge kutudanganya na hizo zingine zinakuanga kitu kaa 30% ama 40. So kindly watch as you enjoy everything.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So this is what I do when I get the aloe vera. This one has stayed in water for quite some time, but after applying it for some time I don't feel like it's tinglish, like haina hiyo mwasho. So what I do is I soak it in water, and for preservation I've let it stay there for some time, and then after that's when you can be able to use. So I just wanted to show you when you're cutting off. You can see this one is a different one. If you look in my previous vlogs, kulikuanga na aloe vera, another different type, but they all work the same. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog, and if you enjoyed, like, comment, share and subscribe, and let us do more content like this. Until next time, bye.